Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In my previous video I shared with you how to make coconut cake. So today I'm sharing with you how to make delicious and soft coconut bread using our coconut powder from the coconut series we did also in our previous video. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we're going to be using. I have my coconut flour here. I have all-purpose flour, some coconut chips here, homemade also. I have a yeast. This is the yeast I'll be using. I have some eggs. We are using 2 eggs for this. We have a sugar and the milk powder, some butter and a coconut oil. Yes, so this will give us that coconut flavor, enough of the coconut flavor. I'll start by adding all the dry ingredients into my mixing bowl, after which I'll mix it a bit, then go in with the wet ingredients. Check the description box below for the measurements of the ingredients I'm using.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly.
After adding the wet ingredients, I then transfer the bowl into my stand mixer, and I'll be using my stand mixer to mix and knead the dough. You can also use hand for this. I'll leave the link to my bread recipes. You find the ones I use hand there to mix. I'm going to mix this or knead this for about 10 minutes. If you're using hand, you can knead it up to 15 to 20 minutes until the dough becomes soft.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through.
After kneading, I'll cover and leave it in a warm place for about 1 hour. That will help it to proof and also double in size or to rise.
Rolling dough and stir.
And after 1 hour, the dough has proofed and also doubled or tripled in size.
Dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
Next, I'll transfer the dough onto my working space. I have my pot here which I've sprinkled some flour. Then roll it out, cut and roll it out. Spread some of the coconut chips. We have coconut chips here. Remember I showed you that. I'll spread enough of it on the dough and then fold it into a loaf. For the first one, the second one, I'll cut it and roll it into bread rolls. Keep watching.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly, each corner dish, each key a spice, conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune.
Make sure to seal it very well. Then transfer into your loaf pan.
A recipe for
And I greased my loaf pan with oil so that the dough will not stick to it.
peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in.
I'll also sprinkle or spread some of the coconut chips or flakes on this one too. But in this part, I'll be cutting it into smaller rolls.
In the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace.
Please don't judge me for not cutting them equally. When you're cutting your own, try to make them equal.
Of taste and sound, treasure Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
I'll cover the pans again for second proofing. This time I'll leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Whispering flavors floating in the air.
And after 30 minutes, this is what we have. I'll sprinkle some coconut chips on them again before egg washing them. I hope you're still with me. Thank you for staying. Ah. It's time to egg wash the pretties.
Note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen with joy.
And it is time to bake them. And here we have our coconut bread. I baked this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. And it came out very delicious, soft and delicious. I'm not even joking about it. You will love this. I'm going to bake this again, and you too, you need to try it. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.